Good morning, everybody. Now, again, we are here for the triangle. We will start today's session from question number 5, right? So, here it is given that S and T are the point on the side PR and QR of a triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now, as I have drawn the figure over here, P, Q and R. What it is written that S and T are the point on the side PR. S is on the side PR and T and QR. T is on the side QR. जो T है वो QR के बीच में है, ठीक है. सो ट्राइंगल PQR के अंदर सच दैट एंगल P जो ये एंगल है, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू एंगल RTS. RT and S, this triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, show that the triangle RPQ is similar to RTS. That big triangle is similar to this small triangle. So how to do this? Let us write it down given. In triangle PQR, S and T are the point on PR and QR respectively. Whatever it is given to you up till this, you have to write down in given, right? And this also contains half marks. 1/2 half marks contain, right? So angle P is equal to angle RTS. Understood? What we have to prove this we have to prove that triangle P RPQ is similar to RTS. We have to prove this. Now let us prove with the help of a similarity criterion. Proof. Here in a triangle PQR and TRTS, PQR, this big triangle and this small triangle. दो triangle दिख रहे हैं आपको, एक triangle के अंदर दूसरा triangle है, ये वाला triangle, right? So in both the triangles, when we are looking over here, triangle QPR is equal to angle PQR is equal to RTS. Angle QPR एंगल QPR मतलब जो P है जो बीच में आ रहा है वो P और RTS दिस इज इक्वल. इट इज़ गिवन टू यू. पहले ये तो दिया हुआ है, ये गिवन है क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है. और दूसरा क्या कॉमन है, दोनों ट्राइंगल में R कॉमन है. सी बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल में भी R कॉमन है, छोटे वाले में भी R कॉमन है. So when you see that angle P is equal to angle T over here and it is given to you and angle R is common in both the triangle, that means with the help of a similarity it is proved that both the triangles are similar. Right kids? So according to a spatial corollary we can prove that from AAA or you can say AA, it is proved that both the triangles are similar. So this is your question number 5. Very easy and really very understandable. This can come in your exam for 3 marks. Now let us go for 6th sum. Here it is given to you. See, in the figure 6 point, here it is given A, B and C. If triangle ABE, B and E, this triangle A, B and E and ACD, A, C and D, this triangle, show that triangle ADE, this triangle is similar to ABC. ये छोटा वाला ट्राइंगल जो है वो सिमिलर है बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल से. तो कैसे करेंगे? Now look here. It is given to you that ABE is congruent to ACD. कॉन्ग्रुएंट मतलब क्या होता है, सारे साइड इक्वल होते हैं, सारी एंगल्स इक्वल होती है, राइट. सो व्हेन ABE इज सिमिलर टू ACD गिवन है, देन वी कैन प्रूव दैट AB इज इक्वल टू AC. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल के अंदर ये वाली साइड और ये वाली साइड तो इक्वल है, बाय CPCT इट इज प्रूव. AE इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू AD. AE is also equal to AD. This side is also equal to this side. अगर ये पूरी साइड इक्वल है तो ये और ये भी तो साइड, आधी साइड भी तो इक्वल होगी ना. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिमिलैरिटी we can write it down, or according to the basic proportional theorem we can write down that AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE because this is equal to this and this is equal to this. अगर हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. Why we are writing like this way? Because they both are equal. It is given that we have proved that by simplicity that AB is equal to AC. अगर मैं ये नीचे ले लेती हूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा, AB अपॉन AC हो जाएगा विच इज़ इक्वल टू 1. यहाँ पर क्या रह जाएगा 1. वैसे ही अगर मैं इसको ऐसे ले लेती हूँ AD अपॉन AE तो उसका क्या रह जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 1. सो देयरफॉर we can prove that AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE which is equal to 1. So hence triangle DAE so angle DAE is equal to BAC because A is common. ये जो ट्राइंगल है छोटा वाला ट्राइंगल DAE and the bigger triangle DAE, A is a common in both the triangle, right? And here it is given to you, see these angles, these sides are equal, these sides are proportionate and the angle is equal. So side angle side angle and side, we can prove that by SAS similarity both the triangles are similar, right? So this is about question number 6. We have proved this triangle that both the triangles are similar by SAS similarity because two sides are proportionate and one angle is equal, or you can say common, right? So this is about question number 6. Now let us go forward for question number 7. In the given figure, altitudes AD and CE of a triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that triangle AEP is similar to CDP. AEP, this triangle is similar to this triangle. Then here it is given to you ABD. ABD. Okay, let us prove one by one. Let us prove first this triangle. AEP is similar to DPC or CPD, right? What it is given to you that AD and CE are the altitude of the triangle ABC. A, B and C, they are altitude. See, this is the altitude and this is also altitude. As this sign is made, this is of 90 degrees. So it means that CE is perpendicular to AC and CD is perpendicular to BC, right? So that means 90 degrees. So that is known as an altitude. So to prove that AEP is similar to CDP, हमको क्या प्रूव करना है, AEP is similar to C, D and P. So how to prove it? See, this is 90 degree तो this is also 90 degree. अगर ये 90 degree है तो इधर भी एक 90 degree है, तो ये एक 1 और ये भी 1, मतलब ये 90 प्रूव हो गया कि एक कॉमन हो गया 90 degree दोनों में. ओके, and more what it is given to you that this angle and this angle of both the triangle are vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angle are always equal. So when 90 that is common in each or both the triangles and vertical opposite angle, so it is proved that both the triangles are similar by AA similarity. Understood? Similarly, when we are proving the second one, this we have proved. Now the next one, ADB, this triangle, this bigger triangle and CBE, this triangle and this triangle 90 degree again. ये वाला ट्राइंगल और ये वाला ट्राइंगल जो है वो दोनों 90 डिग्री है. अगर 90 डिग्री हम लोग देखेंगे बेटा, so how it is proved 90 degree each, because this is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, right? Now what, here it is given ABD, sorry, this angle and CBE, this angle, this is common in both the triangles. So it is not vertical opposite angle, it is what, common, that this triangle angle B is common and this triangle angle B is common. So angle B is common in both the triangle. So it is proved that by AA similarity that both the triangles are similar. This is written AA similarity. Understood? So this is about question number 7. We have proved two part. Now let us prove the next part. AEP and ADB. ADB. This small and this bigger one. ये triangle में ये वाला triangle and this bigger one. In that again we have to prove it. So when you are seeing AEP angle P and ADB angle A, मतलब दोनों में एंगल A जो है वो कॉमन है. ठीक है, अब दोनों में एंगल A कॉमन है और दोनों में 90 डिग्री है, तो मीन्स वापस वही हो गया 90 एंड कॉमन. सी आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. सी AEP is equal to ADP 90 degree and angle A is equal to angle A common. Again by AA similarity both the triangles are similar. Understood? Similarly in triangle PDC, let us see the triangles CDP, PDC, P, D and C. This triangle and the whole triangle BEC, BENC. ओके ये वाला ट्राइंगल और ये वाला ट्राइंगल वो की वही बात हो गई. ये 90 डिग्री है, अगेन ये 90 डिग्री है. ओके बोथ द ट्राइंगल सी इज कॉमन, राइट. तो सी कॉमन है 90 डिग्री, तो इट इज प्रूव दैट बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय ए सिमिलैरिटी. सी लाइक दिस वे you can see over here. See angle PDC is equal to BEC which is 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle C. This is common. So by both the triangle this are similar because of the AA similarity. Hence your sum is proved. Hope you have understood. Whole sum is proved with the help of AA similarity. Right kids? Now let us proceed forward for the 8th sum. Now here question it is given to you. E is the point on the side AD. See in this question you don't have diagram is not given to you, so you have to draw the diagram. And when such situation arises, you the diagram consists of marks. जब आपको diagram नहीं दिया होता है और diagram आपको बनाना पड़ता है तो उसके marks होते हैं diagram के, right. Here it is given E is the point on the side AD. Produce of the parallelogram ABCD. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and AD से आगे बढ़कर प्रोड्यूस किया हुआ है एंगल E. ओके और E को ज्वाइन किया हुआ है B से. सो CD को इंटरसेक्ट करेगा वो F से. सो हियर इट इज फॉर्म दैट ABE इज similar to CFB. CFB. This whole triangle is similar to this triangle. We have to prove it, right? So let us prove it. Okay. Now angle A. See, this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. First of all, when parallelogram comes into your ear, that parallelogram, so the main important thing should come inside your brain, the properties of the parallelogram. What are the properties of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are always equal and parallel to each other, and the opposite angles are also equal. Adjacent angles are equal to 180 degree. बेटा adjacent angle जो होता है वो equal to 180 डिग्री होता है और ऑपोजिट एंगल इक्वल होते हैं और ऑपोजिट साइड्स होती है वो पैरेलल और इक्वल होती है. ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ है पैरेललोग्राम की जो आप लोगों ने जूनियर क्लासेस में की होगी, राइट. सो हियर आई हैव गिवन अगेन ओवर हियर दैट ABE and FCB, these two triangles, in these two triangles you can see that angle A is equal to angle C because of the parallelogram property. ठीक है. सो ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में ये दोनों प्रूव्ड ही हो गए क्योंकि ये पैरेललोग्राम प्रॉपर्टी दोनों साइड दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है. देन अगेन वी कैन सी दैट दिस इज पैरेलल टू दिस. व्हाट इज पैरेलल? ABE. ABE कहाँ पर है? AB and E इज इक्वल टू BFC, BFNC. ABE मीन्स ये एंगल जो है और ये एंगल जो है वो दोनों इक्वल है. क्यों इक्वल है? क्योंकि DC और AB जो है पैरेलल है और ये जो है FB जो है वो ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है. सो ये Z बन रहा है ना, दैट मीन्स अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल एंड अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. सो दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल and this angle, because of two angles, both the triangle are similar because of AA similarity. Right, so this is also proved, my dear student. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. I can explain you again. Right, now let us go for the question number 9. Now in question number 9, here it is given to you that ABC and AMP are two triangles, right angle at B and M respectively. Right, so we have to prove that angle ABC is similar to AMP. ABC क्या है, A, B and C is similar to AMP. ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, तो तुमको दिख ही रहा है ना बेटा. देखो ये एंगल और ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, तो ये ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल और ये ट्राइंगल का ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है, और एंगल ए तो कॉमन है. तो अगर ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल दोनों सिमिलर ही हो जाएंगे ना बाय ए सिमिलैरिटी, by AA similarity, and when they are similar their sides are always proportionate. Right, so second wala bhi prove ho gaya, but how to write it down, I have written over here. Let us do study. Given triangle ABC and triangle AMP are the two right angle triangles at angle B and angle M respectively. To prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP and CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Right, so proof. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, दोनों में क्या होगा, ये एंगल B और ये एंगल M दोनों 90 डिग्री है. एंगल A is common in both the triangles. I have written over here. So both the triangles are similar by AA similarity. Right, now second point. If both the triangles are similar, so their sides are also proportionate. So proportionate मतलब AC upon PA. ये वाला ट्राइंगल ये ट्राइंगल का ये साइड और ये ट्राइंगल का ये साइड, which is equal to BC upon MP. BC upon MP. Right, so we have to write it down. जो चाहिए वो तो प्रूफ हो ही जाएगा बेटा, because both the triangles are similar, so that means sides are proportionate. So ratio of the corresponding sides of the similar triangles are always equal. Right, so the sum is proved. Clear everybody? Understood? Now let us go for sum number 10. This is sum number 10. Kids, here it is given to you. See, two triangles are there, ABC and EFG. ठीक है, CD and GH are respectively the bisector of the triangle ACB and EGF. ACB and EG and F. This is F. अब ये बाइसेक्टर है. दिस CD is a bisector. बाइसेक्टर का मतलब ये होता है बेटा कि ये दो एंगल, इट डिवाइड्स द एंगल इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. बाइसेक्टर डिवाइड्स द एंगल इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. राइट, सो ये बाइसेक्टर दिया हुआ है और फिर ये दिया हुआ है DH and D lies on the side AB and EF of a triangle ABC and EFG. We have to show that both the triangles are similar, such that if both the triangles are similar, दिया हुआ है that they both are similar है तो सारे angles equal है और सारी sides proportionate है. So we have to prove all this thing. Now let us prove it one by one. Okay, we have to write down given to prove that. Proof में क्या लिखेंगे, सबसे पहले हम लोग लिखेंगे दोनों triangle similar है. क्या triangle है, ABC एंड EFG. अच्छा, अब इस दोनों ट्राइंगल के अंदर अगर वो सिमिलर है तो एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल E, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल E एंड एंगल C इज इक्वल टू एंगल G. राइट, एंड ऑल द साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनेट. ये इसके प्रोपोर्शनेट है, इसके प्रोपोर्शनेट है, ये इसके प्रोपोर्शनेट है, एज आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टीज. राइट, सो So dear kids, what we have to do in triangle ACD and triangle FGH, when both the triangles we have to prove it over here. ACD, A, C and D and E, G and H, ये दोनों triangle के अंदर, see, CD is a bisector, so this angle is also equal to this angle. 1 is equal to 4, right? So you can see this triangle ACD and FGH, this triangle, not this triangle, this triangle. So 1 is equal to 2. So 1 is equal to 2 I have written, and A is equal to F. All the angles are equal because A is equal to F. So by, you can say like this way, by AA proportionate, ये दोनों proportionate है, दोनों equal है. So you can say that by AA similarity both the triangles are similar. Similarly, when both the triangles are similar, अगर ये दोनों triangle similar है तो क्या होगा, उसकी side भी तो proportionate होगी ना. So that's why CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Hence it is proved. Right, now corresponding sides of the similar triangle. Right kids, now we have to prove again the part is left beta of 10th sum. Let us prove next sum, the part of this sum. See, CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG, but AC upon FG is equal to BC upon EG. Okay, so when you exchange, or AC is equal to CD, see, here it is given to you AC is equal to, what it is given, AC is equal to FG, AC is equal to FG, ये side and this side is proportionate. Okay, so instead of this we can write down over here, therefore CD upon GH is equal to BC upon EC. So in triangle DCB and HGH, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. मतलब कि ये जो दूसरा वाला triangle है, ये वाला triangle और ये वाला triangle, this triangle and this triangle, again 3 is equal to angle 4. Right, angle B is equal to angle E because it is given. So by AA similarity it is proved that both the triangles are equal, and it is also by AA similarity, or you can write it down, or by side angle side it is proved. Right, so both the thing you can write it down because we have proved this also, and by this also, or you can write down AA similarity, both the triangles are similar. Right kids, and the third one it is given DCA and HGF. DCA this and HGF this, ये दोनों एंगल दिया हुआ है. See, DCA and HGF, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Right, we have proved it when both the sides are proportionate. So you can write it down by SAS similarity, that both the triangles are similar. Right, so this is about question number 10. If you have any doubt, you can just tell me again, I will explain you. Okay, now question number 11 of this chapter, of this exercise 6.3. Now in this, here it is given to you, A is a point on the side CD produced of an isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? Tell me. Isosceles triangle is nothing but when the two sides are equal, their corresponding angles are also equal. ये साइड और अगर ये साइड इक्वल है तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी इक्वल होंगे. ठीक है, तो इसमें लिखा हुआ AB इज इक्वल टू AC. So AD is what? Perpendicular bisector, and EF is a perpendicular bisector to AC. Prove that ABD is similar to EC and F. ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल इक्वल है, मतलब सिमिलर है. तो किस तरह से प्रूव करेंगे? चलो पहले प्रूव करते हैं ABC के अंदर कि ABD और ADC दोनों इक्वल है. ठीक है, अगर उनको प्रूव करेंगे तो हमने पहले तो गिवन और टू प्रूव दैट लिखा है जो उधर लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, इन ट्राइंगल AB इज इक्वल टू BC, वो तो पता ही है कि ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल है, तो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C. यू कैन राइट एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल C. एंगल ऑपोजिट टू द इक्वल साइड्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. ओके, अब ये दोनों तो प्रूव हो ही गए. सो एंगल ABD एंड ECF, ABD एंड ECNF, ये दोनों में एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, ठीक है। अब ये एंगल 90 डिग्री है और इसमें दिया हुआ है 90 डिग्री एंड ए बी डी एंड सी ई एफ, ए बी डी एंड सी ई एफ, सी ई एंड एफ proved above. Or you can prove like this way. So, see, CEBF, F is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, right? And here in this triangle C is also there and in this triangle C is there. But accordingly we can write down angle B is also equal to angle C, because it is given over there that we have proved above that angle B is equal to angle C. So instead of angle C I can write down angle B. So according to this it is proved that by, you can write it down by A similarity, both the triangles are similar, right? So this is about question number 11. So dear kids, if you have any doubt, please tell me again, I will explain you again. So this is today's this is about your question number 11. So today we are finishing over here and the next video we will come from question number 12. Thank you.